Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abigail Pascual, 31 years old, married. I have two children, one boy and one girl. I am a college level. I have a 5 years experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid and 2 years in Dubai.
And when did you start working here in the Philippines?
2007 to 2013.
How many were there in the family?
They are 7. The madam, my sir, and the 5 children.
And can you tell me the age of their children?
20, 18, 15, 12, and 8, sir.
Okay, and can you tell me your duties?
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, taking care of the children, and tutoring.
Okay, and when did you go to Dubai?
2013, May 21, and 2015, May 21 also.
And how many were there in the family?
They are 5, sir. My madam, my sir, and the 3 children.
And how old are their kids?
5, 3, and newborn baby, sir.
And are you taking care of the children?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
The eldest one and the youngest one.
Okay. And can you tell me your duties?
My duties and responsibilities to taking care of the children, washing the clothes, cleaning inside and outside the house, cooking, preparing food for them, and marketing.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have 2 kids.
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
7 and 3, sir.
And who will take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother and my husband will taking care of my children, sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn the money for my family and I want to save the money for the future of my children.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
A little bit, sir.
And can you sing one children's song?
Yes, sir. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One is fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 4 little monkey jumping on the bed. One is fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 3 little monkey jumping on the bed. One is fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 2 little monkey jumping on the bed. One is fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One is fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed.
Very good. And what is your message to your future employer?
So my future employer, please give me a chance to work with your family. I will do my best. I will promise I will follow your rules and regulation. And I am a good person, hard-working person, and you can trust me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Miss
Thank you.
Abigail Pascual, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Have a nice day, sir. Bye-bye.